For example, an article, okay? The author mentions that despite the fact that the planet Earth comprises 70% of it water, there is still water shortage. Normally, what is this? What is the author trying to do here? He is what? He is presenting what?
Scientific.
Fact? Interest? So when we say there is water shortage, what is this? This is what? Fact. Okay. An issue? A problem. Very good. It is a problem. Good. Now, as a reader, what do I expect to read after? So I have a problem now. So what do I have to expect from this text? To see what? The answer? The solution. Very good. Good. So this is predicting. Okay. Now, for example, in the introduction, he is talking about this fact that 70% of the Earth comprises water, but still there is water shortage. So I expect afterwards to read afterwards about the solution. Okay. Good. So this is prediction. So prediction or predicting is also a during